all the air. Come on, come on. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you guys are new here, my name is Nicole and I make videos on just about everything. Today's video is actually going to be an inside the dressing room video. I just posted one of these videos actually about a week ago. I did an inside the dressing room try on at Torrid, and I asked you guys at the end of that video if you would like to see more, and if so, where would you like me to try on clothes next? And I got one response, just one. It was Elena Racio. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but thank you so much for your request. She said to do Target and Walmart. So today we're doing Target. I'm not usually the most successful when it comes to Target clothing. I will just say that. The brand, I don't even remember what it is. It's like the new, like trendier brand. The bottoms, at least, I don't know, they just don't fit me the best. It's just very odd sizing in my opinion. So I'm excited to get in there, to pick out some clothes I think are cute, and to try them on. I am very curious. I am going to try to kind of branch out and pick some things I normally wouldn't pick, just so I can have a wide variety of clothing to try on. So if this is something that you think might interest you, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first top that I tried on is this really pretty pink and white leaf print silk material button-up. I did try it on in an XL, which was a little snug for me around the chest. I should have gotten an XXL, but they didn't have that one in stock at my Target. I did unbutton it here to kind of show you what it would look like if it fit properly and wasn't pulling around the chest. Super cute. I think it would definitely be appropriate for work or even a night out. With this top in particular, I think you could definitely dress it up or dress it down, so I really like the versatility of it. Next up is this really pretty leopard sweater. I actually found this one in the plus size section. I tried it on in the size X, which I'm guessing is equivalent to an XL. They did have 1X through, I believe, 4X. I probably would have sized up to a 1X because I like my sweaters to be a little bit flowy, but nevertheless, it was super cute and very comfortable. Then I tried on this really pretty black and white flannel top. This material, you guys, was so soft. It's not that typical, like, almost scratchy flannel. This was a super, like, almost thin, very soft material. I don't even know how to explain it. It did have buttons going all the way up the front as well as on the sleeves. I just thought it was super cute. I tried this one on in a 1X and I think it fit perfectly. Then I tried on this really pretty rust color 3/4 length sleeve top. You can, however, unroll the sleeves to be full length. One thing to note about this top is that the front is like a very, it's almost like a chiffon material. It's like not stretchy whatsoever. And the back half of the shirt is more of a thin, stretchy material, as you can see here. I thought this was a really beautiful top, super comfortable. I tried this on in a 1X and it fit perfectly. Then this camo jacket. You guys, I love this camo jacket so much. It's from the brand Universal Thread, so it's not in the plus size section. I did try this on in an XXL, which is the biggest size they have. I thought it fit great. It does have drawstrings there and a hood, as well as a zipper and buttons and pockets. This jacket has everything, and I flippin' love it. Then I decided to try on this mustard sweater. Also not from the plus size section, but I did try it on in the biggest size, which is an XXL. This sweater was super, super soft. I love it so much. I'm not the biggest fan of sweaters though, because I get hot really easily. However, if I were to wear a sweater, I feel like it would be this one because I love the color and I loved how it felt. Then, sitting all by itself on a rack, I spotted this leopard dress, and it just happened to be in a size XXL, so I thought I would try it on. I don't hate this dress, but I don't love it either. I think maybe if it fit a little bit better, I would like it a little bit more. It's just a button-up leopard dress with a belted waist. As you can see in the hip area, the pockets kind of stick out a little bit because it is a little bit snug. So I think that makes me look like I have even bigger hips, as well as the buttons here are definitely pulling. So maybe if it fit a little bit better, I would like it. So it's kind of hard to tell from this clip, but I tried on this super deep green pair of wide leg pants. They do tie up at the waist, and I really liked these a lot. I tried these on in an XXL, which I didn't think would fit, and I was right, but I actually thought they wouldn't even go up past my hips, so I mean, that's good news. They were a little bit tight, definitely in the thigh and hip area, but if these fit, I would have definitely purchased them. I love them. And last but not least is this beautiful mustard color button-up corduroy jacket. It was a stretchy corduroy, which was fantastic. I tried this on in an XXL and it fit perfectly. I just absolutely love this color for fall. So beautiful and so comfortable. Oh, it's so hot. All right, gotta turn the air down so you guys can hear me. So I just got out of Target. I tried on some adorable things. Some stuff was specifically from the plus size section, and then other stuff was just from the straight sizes, but like the biggest size. There were a couple things where they didn't have an XXL in the straight sizes, so I had to try on an XL, and didn't quite work out for me. Some of the things that I was for sure obsessed with were the green pants. If they fit a little bit bigger, those were super cute. Once again, would be great for work. I know I mentioned that in my Torrid video, probably drove some of you nuts, but I am always on the hunt for work appropriate outfits. Another thing was the yellow corduroy jacket. That mustard color was everything. But I just got a bunch of new jackets. I'm really trying to be better about not buying clothes unless I absolutely need them, and I have an entire closet filled with clothes, so I really don't need a damn thing. I'm trying so hard because I go through and I declutter my clothes to donate or to put on Poshmark, and I'm just like, some of these things I've only worn once, and it's like, come on, I'm just trying to not be wasteful. So I didn't purchase anything, obviously, but there were some super cute things. The pink silk shirt, cute for work if it fit. You guys could see like the boob area. It was definitely too small and the buttons were pulling. I actually did think that leopard dress was cute, but my hips are too wide, and it was a button up, so it was pulling. So overall though, I was kind of impressed. I picked some things I normally wouldn't. Like I never would have picked those green pants or that leopard dress, but I ended up really liking them. So that was pretty much it for this Target try on. I am planning on doing Walmart next relatively soon. If you guys have any other suggestions of places you would like me to go do an inside the dressing room video on, please let me know, because I would love to do it. These videos are a lot of fun. I think that is it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. All of the links will be in the description box below. Leave me a comment. I would love to chit chat with you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.